Sir, Kevin sir, you may please start the class, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
good evening, dear students. How was the weekend test, dear students? Any confusion or anything that you found it difficult to answer? Any question that you found confusing or you found it difficult? Anything that we need to discuss in the class? I think this time the questions are mainly from triangles, since we are discussing on topic triangles and centers of triangle. Yes or no? We asked what is called as the area enclosed by the uh, triangles from 2 points. Okay, that one we had asked. Then we had also asked by the areas that enclosed by the given lines. Then we also discussed, I think some questions were on what type of triangle is formed based on the line equations. Then there was some questions on centroid and orthocenter, what we had done earlier. What is the centroid of the orthocenter? What is the equation of the orthocenter? If three sides of triangle are given, uh, find the point of the circumcenter if the sides of triangle are so much. All those things are level one questions what we have discussed. I think maybe 2 weeks back, those questions have come. And we also, I think there were some questions uh, based on uh, area already discussed area. I think one or two question also was there from put of the image, if I'm not mistaken, uh, which we had already started. Put of the image at perpendicular distance. So we'll continue that one. Any doubt you have got, dear students, regarding the weekend exams? Actually, from past 2 3 weeks, what questions we are getting is just very basic questions, maybe level one questions only. Still, I have not, though we already completed level two and we have gone through uh, level three. Yeah. Still, I am preparing questions from level one only. Still, we are not going to level two. Once we go to level two, questions for the test, slowly we'll get the complexity of it. So only I don't want to put your spirits down. So only I told sidelines. Slowly we'll catch the grip of it. Now, since already we are solving a lot of problems, slowly you are also getting into the method of doing it, analyzing the questions, using the formulas and so on. So which question you have got doubt? If there is no doubt, you say yes, then we proceed with today's class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Ashrita and so on?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So believing that you have no doubts, we'll proceed ahead. Of course, I think today we'll complete level three and already I think some of the level four questions I have taken. Once we complete level 5, I will go to advanced level questions. Still, we have not started advanced level questions. For this topic, it's good. I am planning to take advanced level questions now itself because very important topic from the point of view of both mains and straight lines or as well as the advanced level. So now we are in level 3 only. Once we complete the level 3 and level 4 and level 5, we'll go to advanced level questions. Okay. Now today we'll discuss from where we are left. The first question for the day. A line which makes an angle theta with a positive x-axis. That means one line is making an angle theta with a positive x-axis is drawn through the point P comma 3 4. Means a line is drawn from the point P 3 comma 4 and is making an angle theta. Means we are drawing a line from the point 3 comma 4. It is making an angle theta from the positive x direction and cuts the curve y square is equal to 4ax. It is cutting the curve y square is equal to 4x. Is cutting the curve y square is equal to 4x. At q, it is cutting the curve y square is equal to 4x x at a point q and r. The length segments of PQ and PR are the numerical values of the roots of the equation. Means they're telling the length of PQ and PR are roots of one quadratic equation. Are some numerical roots of that quadratic equation. We have to find that quadratic equation. That is a question. So let us figurize this question. So they are telling that there is a curve y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x is what curve? Dear students, y square is equal to 4x. What type of curve is this one? We have discussed, we have solved a lot of problems in locus.
Parabola, sir.
Very good. What type of parabola? Symmetric to which axis? Is it symmetric to y axis or is it symmetric to x axis?
For x-axis, sir.
X axis. So tell me, is it right handed parabola or left handed parabola?
Right-handed, sir.
Right handed. So it is a handed parabola of y square is equal to 4ax. Now what they're telling, there is a line which is passing to point 3 comma 4. Point 3 comma 4 is somewhere it is passing, so that my line is passing through point 3 comma 4 and what it is doing, it is meeting my parabola at P at the point Q and say somewhere it is maybe somewhere here point 4 point 4 comma 3 comma 4 no 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 somewhere let us say if you take a parabola like this means our line is passing through like this. So this is point Q, this is point R, this is point P. That is 3 comma 4. And this is making an angle theta from x-axis. So this is what the question they are given. I have drawn the entire question into a diagram now. Look at it carefully. There is a curve y square is equal to 4x. And there is a point 3 comma 4 through which point my line is passing through. My line is passing to the point 3 comma 4 and cutting the what is this called as parabola y square is equal to 4x at q and r. At q and r. This is what they are. Now we have to find the solution for this question. What they're asking is we have to find the length of PQ and PR. Means this PQ and PR length are the what we are getting numerical value are the roots of one equation. Of course, since only two things are there, I think we'll get only the quadratic equation. So the length of PQ and PR is the root of a quadratic equation. That quadratic equation we have to find. Understood? No? Is it question is clear? Is the given data in question is clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us take the given. What is the given? The line is passing to the point 3, 4. The line is passing to the point 3, 4 and is making an angle theta. And is making an angle theta. Now, a line is passing from the point 3, 4 is making an angle theta. How do you give point Q from what we have solved from past 2 days? Tell me the coordinates of Q from given these two data. Let us see who will tell me the correct answer. How do you give point Q, the coordinates of Q? We are discussing, we are doing problems basing on the same concept from past 3, 4 if I want to give, I'll give one more clue. Parametric equation. How do you give a parametric equation of a straight line? Through points x and y. X is equal to
R cos theta.
X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Y is equal to y1
1
plus
plus
r sin
r
theta.
sin theta.
Yes,
So
R sin.
you have got x1, y1 here. You have got theta. Then Q will become how much? 3 plus, sorry, 3 plus r cos theta,
Theta.
comma, 4 plus r sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, look carefully in the diagram. My point Q is lying where? Where is point Q is lying here? Fast. I'm asking. Point Q is lying on a parabola. That means parabola has to satisfy my equation. Correct, no? So what is the parabola equation we have taken? Y square is equal to 4x. If since point Q is lying on parabola, Q is in y square is equal to 4x. Therefore, Q should satisfy this equation. Therefore, what happens? 4 plus r sin theta whole square will be is equal to 3 plus r cos theta into 4. This side what happens? 16 plus r square sin square theta plus 4 to 8 r sin theta. This is equal to 12 plus 4 r cos theta. Now bring everything together to one side. R square sin square theta plus 8 r sin theta. So I'll take 8 r sin theta minus 4 r cos theta plus 16 minus 12 is equal to 0. That is equal to r square sin square theta plus what I can take common in these two?
4R, sir.
4
I can take 4r common. So left out is 2 sin theta minus cos theta plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the solution for our question. So the lengths of PQ and PR will be in the algebraic equation of r square sin square theta plus 4r2 sin theta minus cos theta plus 4 is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if that's the case, then we go for the next question. Huh? See, since already we have solved off almost some 200 questions, now I want you to answer. Now, till now I was doing and going, because I was giving you the what is called as the mode of doing the answers, getting in that environment. Now you are used to it. Now, as we discuss the question, you have to open up your mind. You have to think. So only whenever I ask some questions, try to think whether your answer goes wrong. Nobody is going to scold you. Huh? Without thinking, if you are keeping quiet, means no use. Hmm. Because most of these questions are simple calculation. Only the first part we had used. Only I am drawing a diagram and giving you. After drawing a diagram, only I am asking you the questions. So next question. Uh, the slope of the line passing to the point P2, comma 3. The slope of the line passing to the point P2, comma 3 and intersecting the line x plus y is equal to 7 at the distance of 4 units from P. At the distance of 4 units from P. The question is that to find the slope of a line which is passing through 2, comma 3 and intersecting x plus y is equal to 7 at a distance of 4 units from P. So I'll make it much more clear. There is one point, let us say, a point 2, comma 3. Somewhere here, let us say, a point 2, comma 3 is here. Let us say, somewhere here, a point 2, comma 3 is here. That means somewhere here, a point 2, comma 3 is here. Just one line is passing through that point. P. And what they're telling is x plus y is equal to 7 is one line. Let us say somewhat like this. X plus y is equal to 7. That will be okay. If you divide, you will get x by 7 plus y by 7 is equal to 1. That will be in the form of intercept form only. Let us say somewhere that line is like this. X plus y is equal to 7. It is intersecting. Now what they're telling is this intersection point, let me take it as Q. This line's point, let me take it as P. So the distance of these two from point P to point Q, they're telling is 4 units. That's what they're telling. That is the line passing to point. We have to find the slope of this line. We have to find the slope of this line. Passing through point 2, comma 3 is intersecting the line x plus y is equal to 7 at 4 units from P. This intersecting at Q from 4 units from point P. From point P to this intersection point, how many units are there? 4 units are there. So given this condition, we have to find the what is this called as the slope of the line. Slope of let me take this line as L1. The slope that we want to find out that line, let us take it as L1, and let me take this line as L2. L1, L2. So now let us take the given things carefully. What is given? The distance from point P. Before that, we will take what is this called as the Q as x comma y. Let us take Q is equal to x comma y, the point of intersection. Now, What they told is from point P 2, 3 to Q. How many distance is there? 4 distance is there. Yes or no? Now tell me
Yes.
the coordinates of Q. Point P 2, 3 to Q x comma y. The distance is 4. Now tell me the point Q using parametric equations.
2 plus 4 cos theta.
Very good. 2 plus 4 cos theta,
3
comma
plus 4.
3 plus 4 sin theta. Vignesh, you keep quiet. You don't answer this question. Question for others. Why 4 is taken there? Except Vignesh, others answer.
The distance is two.
R is what? The distance of the point to the another point. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now I got my point Q. Now look carefully in the diagram. Point Q is lying in the line. Yes or no? This line L2. This is my line L2. On that line L2, point Q is lying. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is line L2's equation they given is x plus y is equal to 7. That means my point Q has to satisfy this equation. Therefore, what happens? Now point Q is no more x comma y. Now point Q became 2 plus 4 cos theta plus 3 plus 4 sin theta. Therefore, 2 plus 4 cos theta plus 3 plus 4 sin theta is equal to 7. If you simplify this one, 4 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to 7 minus 5, that will be 2. So cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look carefully. I got cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now, how do I find out individual value of cos theta and sin theta? Because you have to find the slope. Slope m is equal to tan theta. Correct, no? Now, how should I find the value of tan theta? For that, I should find individually cos theta and sin theta. How can I find individually cos theta and sin theta? Don't worry. We did this problem in trigonometry in the beginning of the year. Hmm. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to something, what is cos theta minus sin theta? I don't know whether you remember that formula. Don't worry, if you don't remember that formula, we'll do a little long process. Then you'll remember that formula. How to remember that formula, I'll tell you. Now, what I will do, listen carefully. Cos theta plus sin theta, I'll take it as x. Cos theta minus sin theta, I will take it as y. Do you understand so much? Hello? Dear students?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if you're confusing again x and y, I'll take a and b. Don't worry. I'll take a and b. Don't worry. We'll take it as a and b. Because already we're taking x, so no, a and b. Let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2. Now, I am adding both 1 and 2. I'm adding equation 1 and 2. What happens? If I add both equations 1 and 2, 2 cos theta is equal to
A
a
plus
b. Therefore, cos theta is equal to
A plus B by 2.
a plus b by 2. Now I'll subtract 1 and 2. I'll subtract 1 and 2. So what happens? 2 sin theta is equal to a minus b. Therefore, sin theta is equal to a minus b by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I will do is, now I got the value of cos theta, I got the value of sin theta. I consider the equation cos theta plus sin theta. What is the value of cos theta plus sin theta value that we got? Just look
1.
here, what is the value? 1 by 2 we got. Yes or no?
Yes.
I consider this cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Squaring on both the sides. What happens? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 1 by 4. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much?
1.
1 plus 2 into what is the cos theta value? A
A
plus
plus
B by 2. What is the sin theta value?
A minus B by
Plus
2.
B by 2. This 2 get cancels. 1 by 4 is left out here. So what I will do, I send this one this side. It happens. What happens? Therefore, it happens A plus B into A minus B into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 will become minus 3 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now A plus B into A minus B will become how much?
A square
A square minus B square.
B
That is
square.
what I will cross multiply this 1 by 2, that side it becomes minus 6 by 4. So far it is clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Now, what is the
Yes.
value of cos theta plus sin theta from equation 1?
Half.
From equation, what is the value of cos theta and sin theta? Equation 1.
1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, the previous answer, what is the value of cos theta plus sin theta?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Is equal to 1. Look carefully. My left hand side is equal. Therefore, I can equate right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Therefore, A is equal to how much?
Half.
A is equal to how much?
1 by
1
2.
1 by 2. Apply this value of A in this equation. So what happens? 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 minus B square is equal to minus 6 by 4. Yes or no? So minus B square is equal to minus 7 by 4. Minus minus get cancels. Therefore, B is equal to root 7 by 2. That is plus or minus. Correct now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, case 1, case 2. Case 1, B is equal to root 7 by 2. Therefore, cos theta will become how much? A plus B by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 7 by 2 by 2. That is equal to how much? 1 plus root 7 by 2 by 2. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 plus root 7 by
4.
4. Similarly, sin theta is equal to
A minus B by
A minus B by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 7 by 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 minus root 7 by 2 by 2. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 7 by 4. This is with regard to case 1. From case 1, let us find out tan theta. From case 1, let us find out tan theta. What is my tan theta from case 1? Tell me what is my tan theta from case 1. From case 1, my tan theta will be equal to
7 by 1 plus root 7.
hey, 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7.
Yes, sir.
7 by 7 something you are telling.
No, sir.
Now, that is with regard to case 1. Let us see what happens with regard to case 2. Let us see what happens with case 2. What is my case 2 value now? In case 2, my value is B is equal to minus root 7 by 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to a plus b by 2, that is equal to 1 minus root 7 by 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 minus root 7 by 4. Yes or no? Similarly, sin theta is equal to a minus b by 2, that is equal to 1 plus root 7 by 4. So from this, tan theta is equal to 1 plus root 7 by 1 minus root 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whichever option they are given in the option, you do it. Huh? This question was asked in JEE Mains 2019 in the month of August. JEE Mains 2019 in the month of August. Same question can be asked in the advanced level, giving both the option. For example, they can give option A as slope as 1 plus root 7 by 1 minus root 7. Option B as 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7. Option C as let us say they can give root 7 minus 1 by root 7 plus 1. Option D as uh, in the mains option D can be both A and B. That means you should mark here. In advanced level, what they will do is to make you much more confused. They'll instead of giving this one, they'll give you again root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus 1. In the advanced level, what if you do? You have to mark both A and B. This is called as multiple answer question. That means when you mark both the question only, you get a complete 4 mark. Or else your mark will be detected. So advanced level, if the same question, if they ask you, you should mark both A and B. Sometimes there will be A, B, C, 3 also, sometimes will be right. That time you should mark 3 also. That is advanced level, don't worry. Once we solve advanced level question, we will, I'll teach you how to solve advanced level question, how to mark advanced level question. And maybe after 2 or 3 weeks, one paper will have advanced level pattern paper. Advanced level pattern, I will tell you how this pattern is. The pattern is slightly different from the mains level. So is it clear, dear students? Did you
Yes.
understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go to the next question. If you have got doubt, please ask. Don't keep the doubts on this one, because no one wants what is called as questions are simple, but what is this called as the process is a little lengthy, because understanding a question, the topic of the questions are simple, but the process is a little lengthy. Now there's a paragraph question. Listen carefully. The ratio, sorry, the line joining the points, A minus 1 comma minus 1 and B 2 comma 1. Another line is C 3 comma 4 and D 1 comma 2. The given condition is that the line joining the points A minus 1 comma 1, B 2 comma 1, C 3 comma 4, D 1 comma 2. There are two lines. By joining these two lines, by getting one line. By joining these two lines, by getting line. So the given question, two questions, and two questions are in the form of match the following. I don't want match the following, but I'll tell the first question. First question is point of intersection. Second question is ratio of division. Ratio of division in the form of coordinates. Yes, For example, if you are getting 2:3, that will be written as 2, 3. So this is the question. You understand the paragraph question based on the following question. Of course, another question that I asked is point of foot of the perpendicular. Point of foot of the perpendicular. Now, first, what they are given? A -1 -1, B 2, 1. Then they are giving is C 3, 4, D 1, 2. And what are the questions they are given? We have to find point of intersection, rate of division in which rate of the division means how line AB is dividing CD, or how CD is dividing AB. And third one is point of the foot of the perpendicular from anywhere for any line. Because the intersection point is common, so you can easily draw one foot of the perpendicular from that point. Now, listen carefully. First, let us find out the line equation of AB and CD. First, we'll find the line equation of AB and CD. Tell me the line equation of AB and CD. So, AB coordinates is given, CD coordinates is given.
Sir, AB is 2x minus 3y minus 1.
AB is 2x minus 3y minus 1. Very good. Is equal to 0, you should say. Hello.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, let us make this as implies. Vignesh, don't say the CD equation. If you get the answer, keep quiet. I want others to answer this question. Vignesh, if you get the answer also, please don't reveal it. I want to make sure that others also doing it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, second line equation 2x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0.
2x minus 2y plus
2
5
equal
5
Two.
or
5
2.
equals
Hey, no. Very
Two.
good. 2.
2, sir.
5, no. One who told 5, please check your calculation. Plus or minus, somewhere you have gone wrong. So
Yes,
now we got AB and CD equation. Find the point of intersection. Before that, what is the formula for point of intersection? How do you find the point of intersection? X by, do you remember? B1 C1, B2 C2. I told last time, remember a cyclic
Y
format.
by
Y by
C1
C1
C1 A1,
A1
C2
C2
A2,
E2 is equal to 1 by
A1
very good
A1
A1 B1
B1, A2 B2.
B2. See, if you don't remember also, remember this one fellow. Or else, if you find it difficult to remember that fellow also, best thing is take the general equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So no. So when you are taking x, a will not come. So left out is b and c. Right, for first line, write 1 1. For second line, write 2 2. Then for y, what happens? Take this first thing, do cyclic process. You know cyclic process, no? Where b is there, put c. Where c is there, put a. Where a is there, put b. So where b is there, c. Where c is there, a. Next, where c is there, a. Where a is there, b. That's all. Very easy to remember this formula as well. That's how you can't biting all the formulas and go on. This is a simple ways where you can learn the formulas and say remember the formulas. Now using this thing, find me the point of intersection. Those who told me the answer, you keep what that other answer. Nothing. You have to substitute the value. You get some values like this. Afterwards, equal this one with this one, then equal this one with this one. There is one Ram Bhaskar is there. Ram Bhaskar has not opened his mouth. I think one more student is there. I don't remember the name. Kindly do pick up. No issues. If you tell the wrong answer, no problem. We are here to learn only.
Sir, x equal to -4,
X is equal to -4. Very good.
y equal
Then
to -3, sir.
-3, yes, sir.
is it +3 or -3? What is the equation? X by minus side, y by -6, 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then how you are getting y is equal to +3?
No, sir, it's
Hmm.
-3, sir.
-3 is
How you are getting +3? Cross multiply.
No,
Y.
sir,
no,
-3.
sir. We got -3 only, sir.
Yes,
Somebody told me +3. Who told me +3 answer?
No, sir.
Just now
sir.
somebody told me +3 answer. One girl told +3, one girl told -3. Okay. So first part of the question is solved. -4 comma -3 is our point of intersection. Now this one, let me see how to find the ratio of the division of line AB and CD. This one I had already given the theory. Surely you would have forgotten. When there is one line AB is dividing another line CD, then the ratio is given by line of L1 divided by L12 minus L1 divided by L12, where if a line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0, the ratio, the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is divided by the line joining the points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Then the ratio of the division of the line AX plus BY is equal plus C is equal to 0 is given by minus L1 by L2, where L1 is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C is equal to 0, and where L2 is equal to AX2, so not 0, AX2 plus BY2 plus C, because you will get everything in the numerical value. So we are discussing regarding the what is this called as the point of intersection, concurrency, and those topic. There we discussed as a special note. When there is a line, let me draw it for you. When there is a line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0, and there is one more line, let us say, for joining the points, let us say some joining the points A, let us say B can be like this, can stop that B here, anywhere that B can stop. This line A, let us say x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. This line dividing this line is in the ratio of minus L1 by L11 by L12. What is this L11 by L12 means? L1 is nothing but this line's equation where x and y value will put this one. And for this same equation, we'll put this point. That will give me L11 and L12. Therefore, the ratio is given by minus L1 by L12. Therefore, tell me the equation of what is called as AB line equation. Tell me, or any line equation. You take either AB or CD. Any one you can take. Which one should you take? Should you take AB or CD?
AB,
AB.
sir.
AB, sir.
AB. Tell me the equation of AB. What you found out?
2x minus
3y minus 1.
equal to 0.
Minus 1. For this one, what is the coordinates of C? Coordinate of C is how much? Coordinates of C. C point, tell me, pa.
4,
3,
sir.
C point, wait. C point is
3,
3
comma
4.
3, comma 4, sir.
B point is 1 comma 2. So for L11, I'll put this one. 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 minus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1 minus 5. 3 into 2 minus 1. This is equal to whole minus. That is equal to minus of 6 minus 12 minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus 6 minus 1. That is equal to minus 13 plus 6 will become minus 7. Minus of minus 7 will become plus 7. 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 will be 7. Therefore, they're telling that you have to write this section in the form of coordinate. Therefore, it becomes the form of 7 comma minus 5. Seven comma minus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, look carefully. Just one note here. You can write in especially. Since they ask this question in the paragraph question, they're asking everything in the point so that everything comes in coordinates and they can give a lot of options for you. By chance, only this particular question they ask individually. Let us say The A is so much, B is so much, C is so much, D is so much, AB is the line, CD is the line. They are intersecting each other. Find the ratio of intersection, or find the ratio at which it is cut. One line is cutting the other line. How do you find out? You got 7 by minus 5. Yes or no? 7 is to minus 5 is. Now, the question, they'll not give you 7 is to minus 5. They'll give you the options 7 is to 5 internally, 7 is to 5 externally, or else 5 is to 7 internally, 5 is to 7 externally. Now, how do you find out which option is this one? Is 7 is to 5 internally, or 7 is to 5 externally, or 5 is to 7 internally, or 5 to 7 externally?
7 is to 5
Individually,
internally.
they ask me like this. If they ask individual question, they'll not give you in the form of x comma y. They will give you like this. Then how do you answer that question individually?
So it is 7 is to 5 internally.
Internally, why?
Because it is minus pi, so it means it is covered into the line.
No. Whenever like this ratio comes, if the ratio is positive, the division is internal division. See our ratio. Look here, numerator is positive, denominator is negative. Therefore, entire ratio is equal to positive divided by negative,
Negative.
negative.
Negative, sir.
Our ratio is negative. Therefore, our section happening is external. If the ratio is positive, the section will be internal section. Internal section. If the ratio is negative, our section is external section. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important question. 1 year they had asked in the mains exam. Individual question. If I'm not mistaken, it is in the year 2015 or 16. I'm not sure still that confirm the year. 1 year, this particular question they asked individually. So if the ratio is positive, the division is internal. The ratio is negative, the division is external. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now the third one. Point to the foot of the perpendicular. For that, we'll draw the line. Like this, anything. So this is AB, this is CD, foot of the perpendicular. Let us say, if you take for this line, the foot of the perpendicular has to be like this, correct? No? If I take for this line, the foot of the perpendicular is like this. That means, where am I getting my foot of the perpendicular? Where am I getting my foot of the perpendicular? Hello. See, I draw the same line and I take a different color to mark the foot of the perpendicular. Let me take it as blue color. This is A, B, C, D. So if I draw a foot of the perpendicular, let us say, for AB, if I am drawing this, I have to draw like this. So see here, this is happening. For CD, if I have to draw this, I have to draw like this. Miss, at which point I'm getting my foot of the perpendicular for both the lines?
Intersection point.
Intersection minus 4 comma minus 3.
Therefore, the foot of the perpendicular for this line is minus 4 comma
4 comma minus
minus
3.
3.
Minus.
Because one thing is they are not specific the point, correct? No, and they're not specific for which line. So they ask the foot of the perpendicular. Generally means the foot of the perpendicular for both the line has to be same. Okay, instead of the one, okay, they say from point, let us say from -1, 2. So we have to mark that point -1, 2. From that line, if I draw perpendicular, that will be for which line it is applicable. So that is how you have to analyze the question. Since this question, the same paragraph question, sometimes you may get in some other test or some other where in much more detailed way, where they can give you one more additional, what is this called as clause, where from the point to the line. Are you getting it? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yeah.
how the paragraph questions will come for straight lines. So I am just discussed on only one topic, which is on point of intersection and the concurrency point. Sometimes they can ask you on different topic, maybe centers of triangle. Or sometimes they can ask you the equations of line. Equations of line, if they ask you, they can ask you variety of questions. Plenty are there. So straight lines, paragraph questions, often like this paragraph questions will come in advanced level. Advanced level only like this paragraph questions will come. And straight lines, one compulsory. Every almost in the past 6 years, 3 or 4 times they have asked a paragraph questions from straight lines. Don't worry, as we go on different topic, as we increase the level of complexity of questions, we'll solve this one paragraph questions. Now we'll try to stop it here and we'll go for the next question. 3 questions here. If you say as I clear the board, and we'll go for the next question. Hello. Students, are you here? Are you somewhere else?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? Any doubt? No doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Now next question. It's easy question, but little lengthy question. Let us see. If you understand, is very good. Very easy to understand also. Let me see. Will you think? Let us see. That is the thing. A 2, -1 and B 6, 5. A 2, -1 and B 6, 5 are 2 points. Miss the line miss 2 points through which a line is formed. And there is one more point 4, 1. Let me take it as P. There is one more point 4, 1. From this point, there is a foot of the perpendicular to the point AB, to the line AB. From this point P 4, 1, there is a foot of the perpendicular to the line AB. Then that foot of the perpendicular is dividing that line AB in what ratio? The ratio in which the point P 4, 1 to the line AB, the foot of the perpendicular is dividing this line AB. That means AB is a line. A is some coordinate, let us say 2, -1, and B is equal to some 6, 5. And let us say this is point P. From this point P, there is one foot of the perpendicular to this line. That you may take this point as some Q. The ratio in which this Q dividing the line AB, you have to find out. The ratio in which Q dividing the line AB. Now tell me how we are going to do this one. I have drawn the diagram for you. Tell me how you are going to do this one. I hope you understood the diagram. The question in the diagram you understood very well. First, what we shall do, we will go for given points. First, what is the given? The given point A, point B, and they are told point P is 1 point. From that point, we are drawing one perpendicular to the line AB. Yes or no?
Sir,
So first, what we shall do, we will go for the given. First, what we shall do,
sir,
first we'll find the equation of AB. What is the equation of AB? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So what is my line equation of AB? You will get as, let us say, y plus 1 by 6 is equal to x plus 2 by 4. If you simplify this one, tell me, if you simplify this one, what will we get? Equation of AB will be is equal to
6x plus 4y
uh,
plus 8.
plus,
Check.
here you will get x as minus 4. Sorry.
Plus.
Yes, just a minute. You will get x as minus here. Okay.
6x plus 4y
Oh,
plus 16.
the how x minus 2 will come there now? How come you're getting everything plus? Wait, 2y plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 6. That is equal to 3x
Minus 2y
minus
minus
2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Correct now? So look carefully. What is the slope of this line? M is equal to
3 by 2.
M is equal to minus a by b. That is
3
equal
by 2,
to
sir.
minus 3 by minus 2. That is equal to
3 by
yes or no? Hello.
yes.
Now look carefully here. I'll come back to a diagram for you. PQ is perpendicular to AB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
PQ is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, slope of PQ is equal to
Minus
2 by 3.
by
Minus 2 by 3.
very good. Slope of PQ is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now I got the slope. M is equal to minus 2 by 3. I got the point P is equal to 4 comma 1. I got the point M is equal to minus 2 by 3. Point P is equal to 4 comma 1. What is the equation of PQ?
2x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Sir.
Hey, which equation are you using?
PQ only, sir. I am saying PQ
Ah,
equation.
2x plus 3y
Minus 11 equal to 0.
is equal to 0. So I got my PQ equation. AB equation what? Just now we found out AB equation is equal to, where is AB equation? 3x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
Now look carefully in the diagram. What is happening? Look carefully and tell me what is happening in the diagram. AB is perpendicular to PQ. Anything is happening in the diagram? Anything peculiarly you are seeing in the diagram?
So the point Q is common
Point
for both the lines, PQ and AB.
which is common to both the lines, which point?
The point Q, sir.
It means what the point Q is called as
Midpoint.
midpoint. I have drawn like this. Who knows? The line is much more bigger.
Intersection.
Very good. Point
Point.
Q is common to both the lines. Point Q has to be intersection of both the points. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, Q is the point of intersection of PQ and AB. See, now you are thinking. This is what we require. Whether you tell wrong answer, no problem. This thinking is what important. Now, using point of intersection, tell me the value of, tell me the coordinates of Q. Just now I told you, no, x by b1 c1 b2 c2 mod is equal to y by c1 a1 c2 a2 mod is equal to one, so not mod, 1 by determinant of a1 b1 b1 c1. Tell me the value of x and y. Let me see. Who is going to tell me the correct value of x and y?
So 46 by 13, comma 17 by 13.
46 by 13, comma
17 by 13.
13 by 13. Did everybody get this answer? Everybody getting different answer? Hello. Friends, are you getting my, anybody getting different answer? Are you getting the same answer?
Same answer, sir.
Getting same answer. Correct, no? Okay.
Ye-
Now,
Yes, sir. Same answer.
I got now same diagram. I'll draw it again for your sake. So this is my AB. Some coordinate is there. Point P4, comma 1. Tell me the points of A. Tell me the points of A.
2, comma minus 1.
1.
2 minus 1. B point
6, comma 5.
6, comma 5. Now this one is 46 by 13. 17 by 13. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is our question? Our question is, did they ask the point of foot of the perpendicular? No. Our question is what? At what ratio is the foot of the perpendicular dividing the line AB? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you find the
Yes, sir.
ratio of foot of the perpendicular dividing AB?
By section formula, sir.
Yes, sir.
Section from already, not of using section from already you got this value, no? Find the distance. Section from if you find means you'll have got two unknowns, M and N. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then again you will get something only. So best thing is find the, okay, I can use section formula, but best thing is find the distance formula, AQ and BQ. Because there you will get simultaneous equation. Correct, no? M plus n simultaneous equation you will get, here also M plus n simultaneous equation you will get. Did you find this one? Distance formula?
Ten by root 13, sir. AQ distance. 10 by root 13.
10 by root 13.
13. Yes, sir.
What is 46 minus 2 by 13 whole square? Correct, no? Okay. 10 by root 13. What about PQ? So what will be my BQ? So AQ is equal to 10 by root 13. BQ is equal to
So is it 10 root 65
root 65.
by 30?
Both denominators 13 13 is there. That will be root of 169 plus 169. That will be 2 into root of 169. Sorry. Root of 46 minus 46 by 13 minus 2 whole square. Correct, no? Plus 17 by 13 plus 1 whole square. That is equal to root of
20 by 30
46 minus 26 will be
20.
20 by
20 by
30
13 square plus
plus
17 plus 13 is equal to
30
30 by
20
13 whole
30,
square.
30 by 13 whole square.
Whole square.
That will be is equal to root
400.
of
1100 by 160.
400. Correct, no? Plus
Plus 9
900. Okay.
by
Whole
13 whole.
divided by 13 square will be 169. That is equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to
1300.
1300
divided by
160.
169. That is equal to
10 root 13 by 13.
13
10 root 13 by 13.
13.
That is
13.
equal to 10
10
by root
13.
13. Okay. This is with regard to AP. Now with regard to AQ, with regard to BQ is equal to root
4.
of 46 by 13 minus, what is the next point they told me?
6
6 uh,
6 whole square
6
square
whole square
plus
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 17 by
17 by 13
13 minus
minus
plus
5 whole square
13
minus
5
5 whole square
5 whole square. That also is equal to
46
so
46
46 minus what is called as
96
70
78. Correct? No.
yes sir
78
78 sorry 78
78 by 13
30
whole square
plus
plus
7 minus 65
17 minus 65 by 13
that
the whole square. That will be is equal to
root of
46 minus 78 means
minus
minus
78
32
means
minus
2
32
minus
minus
32
32
minus 32
by
minus 32 by 13 the whole square
plus
plus this will be is equal to now 65 and 17 means 15 minus 7 8
minus 48
48 minus 48 by 13 the
30
whole square. That is equal to 32 square is equal to how much?
1024 sir
Sure, 1024
4
1024 by 169 plus 48 the
3
whole square is equal to
4304 4304 sir
how
04
4304 by
30
169.
160
230
Correct. No, 4304 by 169. Is it correct?
yes sir
Okay, that also is equal to root of 169 whole divided by 8 to 3 5. This will be is equal to tell me what is the
excuse
value?
me
sir
Yes.
48 is
yes sir
2304
4
sir
3 double 8 sir
not 4304
3 3 6 4
2304
What is the 48? 64. Okay. 48 whole square. What is the value of 48 whole square?
2304
Anyone?
230
2304. 23.
2304
Hello.
yes
Okay.
sir
2304. So
sir
2304 into 1022. 2 plus 3 with 3328. Correct. No. Hello.
yes
So this also is equal to check what is the value of 16 and 13. Not 16 to 13. Check the value of not 16 to 13. 256 into 13.
3328 sir
3328. That means this is equal to 256 into 13 by 169. That is equal to 60 root 13 by 13. That also is equal to 16 by root 13. Yes or no?
yes sir
yes
Hello. Okay. Now I got the ratio of, I got the value of AQ, I got the value of BQ. AQ value is 10 by root 13 into root 13 by root 16. Yes or no?
yes sir
Root 13
yes
root
sir
13 get cancels. 2 5s are 10, 2
28
8s are 16. Therefore, the ratio is 5 is to 8. Therefore, the foot of the perpendicular divides the line AB in the ratio 5 is to 8. So this was a question asked in AI in the year 2012. AI in the year 2012. See a simple question, how much complication it made us? Not complication, how lengthy the process is. You have to find the equation A, from that find the slope, then find another slope, from that make another equation, find the point of intersection, from that point of intersection, find the ratio with the help of distance, then find the ratio. Yes. So go for the next question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. This is just a logical question. Huh? Since this is coming on the concept of same points of concurrency, intersection, and other things, this question is there. Just before that, I clear the board. So let us see whether will you. I will tell the question. I will give you the option. Let us see what answer you give. Once you give the answer, I'll ask you what is the reason we are giving that answer. 3x plus 4y is equal to 8 is a line, and points 2 comma minus 5 and minus 5 comma 2 are the points. This is a line and these two are the points. Option A, points lie on line L. Okay, let us take it as L. Option B, lie on the same side of L. Option C, lie on opposite side of L. Option D, are equidistant from L. So, this is the question. I will give you, let us say, 3 minutes. 3 minutes is okay. 3 minutes I will give you. A question, line equation is there, 2 points are there. Tell me which is the correct option. Just a conceptual question, that's all. No much simplification is there. No simplification at all is there, if you ask me. A point is there, equation is there, for option is there.
Sir, I got 22 is to minus 15.
No, I don't want any answer. I want to see any values. I want to which option? A, B, C, D.
C, sir.
C. Why?
22 is to minus 15, sir. Opposite sign,
What
opposite
is
side.
20 times 10 minus 15? What is 22 is to minus 15?
Ratio, sir.
What ratio?
L1 1 is to L12.
Is it sure?
Yes, sir.
The ratio, your ratio is wrong. What you have done is correct. Process is correct. Your value of ratio is wrong. Somewhere you have gone wrong. Check. Don't. Your process, your thinking is correct. Your everything is correct. Somewhere you have gone wrong. Because the point and the ratio will never come different here for this question. You will get both negative. L11 will be negative, L12 will be negative. As a result, the entire ratio will be positive. Check. Very good. Excellent. I am appreciating that student answer. Correct process, but somewhere she has gone wrong. I mean, she has thought. Others, okay, listen here. The student has given the entire, the big answer clue itself. Find L11, L12. L1 will be how much? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 20
Minus 20 minus 8.
minus 8. Clearly it is going to be negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to L12. That will be our L12 is minus 5 comma 2. That is minus 15
minus 50
Plus 8.
plus
Minus
8
8.
plus E minus
Minus
8.
8.
Literally, this is also going to become this one. Therefore, L1 is less than 0. L12 is less than 0. Means L11, L12 is equal to how much? Plus. Or else L11 by L12 is equal to plus. Positive. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
L first option cannot be because it is not lying on the line. If it is lying on the line, what should happen? The equation should satisfy the line. We should get 0. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
This cannot be because both the values are different. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
only
sir.
left out option is option B and C. Which is option correct? Tell me now. This is what we are getting. By this one, we need
Option B.
very good. Option B because my ratio is positive. So both the points lie in the same line. Do you understand?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
this is how you are thinking same thing. What we discussed only we are doing. Still we are doing on the point of intersections, concurrency of the points, position of a point with the foot of the perpendicular. We are not gone off the topic. Same topic we are doing. But the question you never expected. This question is part of a point of intersection and a position of a point and this one. No, that's how the question they will ask. Now let us go for the next question. This is also a very easy question. This is asked in IEEE 2010. Let us see. Let O be the origin. Let O be the origin. And points A is equal to 3 comma minus 2, point B is equal to 1, 2, point C is equal to 1, 1. OB the origin, point A is equal to 3, minus 2, point B is equal to 1, 2, C is equal to 1, 1. The pair of points which are on different sides to the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. We should find the pair of points which are different on the different sides of the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Tell me the answer. What answer it will be? Same thing. What we did like a previous one. Same thing only. Did you understand the question? O is the origin. O is origin. Somewhere O is origin. There is a line and there is some points A, B, C. Some 2 points are different side. Maybe 1 point is here, 1 point is here, and some other point maybe anywhere. I don't know exactly. You have to find the 2 points which is on both different side. That is the question. Same method, same process. What you have used. So I already telling what method to use. Since already one of the girls told me last time what is the method to be used. Find L11, find L12, find L13. And once you find this one, you will get the answer. Tell me which is the answer. Fast. It will take only 1 minute. Today, really, I am happy, students. You are very much actively participating in the class. Huh? Really, if you
B.
partake in this
A and B, sir.
Yes,
A
sir,
and B.
A and B.
Why A and B?
Because for A point
L1,
it is negative, and for
L11
B
is
point it
less than 0.
Yes, sir.
L12 is equal to
is
greater than
greater than
0.
0.
Greater than 0, sir.
L13 is equal to 0. That means point C is lying on the line. That
Line,
means
yes.
it is
Line.
forming a
Yes, sir.
triangle. Correct, no? Did everybody get
Yes,
this
sir.
format? L11 less than 0, L12 less than greater than 0, L13 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What about Bhaskar, Ram Bhaskar or Shriram Bhaskar?
Yes, sir. I also got it, sir.
Okay, very good, Pa. Huh? Really, I am very happy with the class today because you are very actively taking part. If you take part like this means, I will be very happy. Huh? Because for us, at the end, you have to think because you are thinking today. That's what. Whether you say correct answer or wrong answer is secondary. Whether you are putting your effort. In that way, really, I am very happy with the class today. So we go to the next question. A very easy question, simple question, but little what is called as a tricky question. Line 2x plus y is equal to k. Line 2x plus y is equal to k is passing through the point which divides the line segment passing through the point 1, 1 and 2, 4 in the ratio 3:2. In the ratio 3:2. That means passes to the point. This is a line. I am drawing for you to become easy. 2x plus y is equal to k is the line passing through the point. Some q. This q is dividing this line. Let us say a and b. 1, 1, 2, 4 at ratio 3:4. At ratio 3:4. Find the value of k. So first given, what is the given? They given a line equation. They given point A and point B, and these 2 points are dividing the line. Okay, there is one point Q dividing this line in the ratio 3:1. Sorry, 3:4. Find the value of K. Did you understand the question, dear students? Do you catch the main point? What to be done?
Yes, sir.
Do you catch the main point? What to be done?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Others, do
section.
you don't
Yes,
go
sir.
for section
Section
formula
form.
at all. That is a very lengthy process. No need of section formula at all. Something very easy.
Point of intersection.
No need point of intersection also. Because they're asking only the value of k. They're not asking me the q value.
Sir, do we need to find equation of AB?
No need pa. Take minus L1 by L12. That they are given already. 3 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now do this one. You'll get one equation. Solve that equation. You'll get k. Whatever you told is correct. But those things are very lengthy process. The main target of the question is not q. The main target of the question is k. So instead of finding section formula, because section formula will give me the value of q, no need. I don't want the what is called as any other things. I want only k. Point of intersection also will give you q. So take this what is called as ratio minus L1 by L12 is equal to 3 by 4. For this, we have to solve the value for k. You will get two equations. This is asked in the year AI triple E in 2012. Once again, see here in AI triple E straight lines, the same year, how many questions they asked?
Sir, is it
What is the value of
Part-
k? Pardon?
1 by 7?
Value of k is
41 by 7, sir.
no. Okay, I will help you out. Come on. Minus L11. L11 will be how much? Minus of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Correct, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Minus of 2 plus 1 minus k. Whole divided by L12 is equal to how much? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 minus minus k plus k. 4 plus 4 minus k. That is equal to 3 by 4. This is equal to minus of 3 minus k by 8 minus k. That is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiply minus 12k. 3 4s are 12 plus into minus minus 12k plus 4k is equal to 24 minus 3k. Send this k this side. Sorry. Sorry, it's not K. Minus 12, correct. Sorry. Minus 12. Send K this side and number that side. So 7K is equal to how much happens is 24
36.
minus 12 become plus 12. Correct now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
7K is equal to
7 by
36.
26.
Therefore, K is equal to 36 by
36
7.
by 7.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll give you one more question. As an homework, you can try it as homework. The line joining the points 1, 2 and k, 1 is dividing the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 in the ratio 4:9. Then k is equal to dash. Same question. Here, last question they asked given k here. Now they given k here. That's all. Same thing. Here minus L1 1 by L1 2 is equal to 2 by 9. So you can take this question as a homework. Is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll do one more question. Same concept, little higher level question we'll do. Little higher level question. So you already used to doing this L11, L12 and so on. Basically the same thing we'll go little higher. The range of theta is 0 to pi. You know what is the range? What do you mean by range? Okay. First I come to the question, then I'll ask this question. Range of theta is 0 to pi such that 3, 5 and sin theta cos theta 3, pi and sin theta cos theta lie on the same side of the line, x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Lie on the same side of the line, x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, before I explain the question, what do you mean by range? Or what is range? Gurvinder sir has taken this one already. What do you mean by range? Gurvinder sir also taken. I have also taken. That for that class, I think Bhavana Ashrita was there. Trigonometry class.
The set
Out.
of all second or y coordinates.
Pardon?
So is it set of y coordinates?
No, I want properly, not general idea. Okay, X is this one, Y is this one. No. What is range?
Outputs.
Technically,
All outputs.
what outputs? Is it output for a computer? Computer programming? What outputs?
Maximum minus minimum.
For a
Pardon?
dome.
Basic concept, dear students. Basic
Sir,
concept with regard to your higher secondary mathematics, with
sir,
regard
is it
to mains level, the basic concept is this one.
the highest value is difference between highest value and lowest value in
That
a
is
data?
statistics. We are not dealing statistics. We are dealing algebra here. What you are telling is regarding statistics. We are not dealing statistics here. We are dealing algebra. In the algebra, what do you mean by range?
For outputs of a domain.
Outputs of domain. What is domain? Okay, what it told is outputs of domain. What is domain? Now my next question is what is domain? Very basic and very important. This will come in all the parts. Domain and range.
The inputs,
Pardon?
Input, sir.
inputs into
Input set.
function.
Input set of what? Input of what?
Elements.
The value
Then,
which we can in
no, which you can give to what?
Which we plug
Value is
in
important.
functions, sir.
in
Very
a
good.
function.
That is the main thing. The domain and range is speaker of a function. And last time also I explained it. Like this, you remember this diagram? And we discuss of an example of a blender and a printer. Remember that example?
Yes,
In the
sir.
online class, we discussed last time also. You give a input, it does some mechanisms. It gives an output. We discussed this example as domain and all the range. The entire set is called as a output values we get is called as a codomain. But the individual, for example, if I take f of x is equal to x square, let A be my input set and B be my output set. Excuse me. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A is my input set, B is my output set. Because you are very silent. Now I was wondering whether I am audible or not. So f of x is my function x square. So function is x square. So give the input values and go 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So now you do the mapping of function. So for 1, what is the output for 1?
1.
1.
Sir.
2,
4.
3,
9.
9.
9.
It goes on. Yes or no? 4,
Yes.
16,
Yes,
it goes on. So we know that F is defined from F from A to B, from domain to codomain. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here A is my input set, B is my output set. So from domain to codomain. So now look carefully. F is from n to n because both are my natural number set. Yes or no? A is my set of natural numbers. B is also my set of natural numbers. F is from n to n. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now F is from n to n. Listen carefully now. Since F is from n to n, now in input set, all my natural numbers are getting a chance to come inside. Miss, I'm giving all the natural number values. But if you look into my output set codomain, does all the values are getting an connection? See here, 2 is not connected, 3 is not connected, 4 is connected. There's all the values are getting mapped. Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hey, is 2 is getting mapped or what, pa? Vignesh, you're telling yes or no? Does
Sir?
2 is getting mapped there? Here, is there any output for 2 here?
No, sir.
Speaking
No,
of n
sir.
to n. If I speak of R to n, sure. Yes or no? Not to R to n. If I speak of R to R, sure. 2 will get a mapping. If I take root 2 whole square means I'll get 2. But when I'm speaking of n to n, do I get a mapping for 2? No. For 3, do I get a mapping? No. That means in my codomain set, there are certain numbers which are not getting mapped. Only some numbers are getting mapped. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In my codomain set, there are certain numbers which are not getting mapped, like 2, 3, 5, 6. All these numbers are not getting mapped, but there are certain numbers which are getting mapped, such as 1, 4, 9, 16. If I take the set of these numbers, the set of these numbers is called as range. But the union, the entire set of these two set is called as codomain. Do you understand the difference between codomain and range?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the question now. So later on, this is very basics. Now our question is here. What is our question? 0 to pi is the range of theta. That means for theta, the range is 0 to pi. Means for a give any value for the input theta, the output range is 0 and pi. Are you understanding? Hello. Dear students, are you here in the meet?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then please respond no. So the range of theta they are given as 0 and pi. They're telling 3, 5 is 1 point. Let us take it as A. And this one as point B. And there is one line equation given. X plus y is equal to. Let us just a minute. Pa. I will clear the screen so that it will have a sufficient screen. So you may not get confused with question and this one. So there is a point 3, 5, B point sine theta, cos theta, x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is one line. And they're giving one more condition that both A and B are lying on the same side or on same side of line L. If I take this line as L, both are the same side. That means what? L1 by L12 should be positive. Correct now?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
given all this condition, find the what is we have to find? We have to find the range of theta. So theta is in this. Now what they are given is they given the codomain of theta. What is the meaning of codomain? The entire output range means let us see like natural numbers we are told. Yes or no? Now see the previous example. The previous example, look carefully in this example. We have taken this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural numbers. Here also natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I take my range, means the range is getting only 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If I take my domain, means domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I take my codomain, means codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same thing, what they're telling is they're given the codomain here 0 to pi. We have to find the range of theta. Theta will get only at some point theta will get accurate value. That point we have to find it out. Will you do it as a homework question? This one? Try it. If you don't get it, we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Did you understand the concept of the point of intersection, concurrency, and the position of the point?
Yes, sir.
A very, very, very important topic that we are discussing. See, like this, if you are active every day, means I am telling you, you should know of spending more time outside the class itself. If in the class itself you are actively taking part, doing some problem, okay, you are getting wrong answer, no problem. You don't get frightened. Nobody is going to fool you. All are online friends only. You don't know where your friend is there, in which part of Telangana he or she is there. You don't know where I am there. Actually, I am not in Telangana itself. So don't worry what others will say or what others will think. Don't bother. Just to say, okay, wrong answer. See, today one girl told me one answer. I said, no, pa, you should get a positive value. But I appreciate her because she thought. So like that, please continue the same spirit. I'll write and you will easily get good marks in these straight lines. Usually many students I have seen, they are skipping straight lines chapter. Now also we are having a revision for mains exam. So already we finished 2 set of revisions. Next set revision is based on a straight lines and pair of lines for our institution academy. Most of students, those revision time, they say, sir, please, sir, we will study some other chapters, sir, because they often find this chapter skipping. They try to skip because they don't want to waste energy on this one. They try to invest the energy on some other chapters where they are strong enough. But even then, for top students, we demand from them for those who are, those who are able to score uh, good percentile like 99.9 percentile and so on. We don't leave them. We demand. We catch them by neck. So I am very happy by this participation. I got confidence on you. That confidence you should get it. Okay, no? So we'll stop the class here. I given all the details, all the clues what to be done. So we will have it tomorrow in the tomorrow's class. Chandrika ma'am or Arun sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, I know already you are getting updates regarding Chennai, what is happening in Chennai. There's a red alert given here.
Yes, sir.
So we are not sure whether there will be power in the morning or not. So shall we have a class in the evening? Like I will engage 2 hours of class like today.
All right, sir. And sure, sir. We can arrange that. I'll let you know too, sir.
Because these days, today we had a revision schedule also. Because of rain, it was cancelled, rescheduled,
Oh.
rescheduled.
Oh,
So again, then we went to the daytime and we came back. So no early morning class and no late evening class.
okay.
So because red alert is given for another
Yeah.
3-4 days.
Yes, sir.
So we don't know what will happen in the mornings. So that is the thing. So I will be happily engaged in the class in the evening because when they were classes in the evening, they are also fresh, and you saw how actively they took part in the class today.
Yes, yes, sir.
So thank you, sir. Will you make that arrangement tomorrow, sir?
Sir, so tomorrow morning, you may not be taking class, sir.
Okay, evening I will conduct like this 2 hours, sir. Is it okay?
That I have to check, sir, once because other class I have to check and let you know, sir. I'll let you know, sir. I'll speak
Okay,
to
sure, sure,
Chandrika
sir.
ma'am. She'll schedule it, no, sir. I'll ask to madam, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Paul.
Arun, sir. Yes, yes, Vignesh. Sir, can you tell me what have you given homework in the morning to read, sir? I asked you to read Center of Mass. Wait, I'll tell you. Sir? Yeah, I'll tell you the exact page number. Yeah, displacement of center of mass of system of particles. Displacement of center of mass, system of particles. Correct? Okay, sir. So tomorrow you've got class again, morning at 5 o'clock. Bye, everyone.